have my latest Prairie Style wall sconce just about completed, and so I mounted it temporarily on the stone wall, which it seems to, in my mind, blend with very well. So I'll have to mount it on either a brick or stone wall. I might still, on these pieces right here, these flat, put some a piece of oak veneer on to hide that, but I haven't been able to find my oak veneer. I know I have some someplace, but otherwise I have to go buy a little piece. And so let's see if I can turn it on. It's not going to show too well with this camera, but there it is, lit. Okay, that's it. Now I have to find where I'm going to actually mount it.